Contenders Optic box number 1, Chase Filler. Alright. Chase teams down there at the bottom, last 10. Michael on the Manders, Corey G Bears, Ross Pats, Clay on the Broncos, Corey Eagles, Falcons, Chris Vikes, Clay Chargers, Jose Jags, C Brand Raiders. Last box, Contenders Optic in the house. Final gold vinyl out of it. Sophie Cunningham. Roma Dunze base rook. Bears. OG Brock Purdy base. Keon Coleman. So rookie red Buffalo. Corey G. 35 of 199. And two variation Joe Milton. It's 37 of 50. It's a little on-card blue. I don't know, man. Dak Prescott goes down. Might be the Milton show for the Pats. Ross. Nice hit, Ross. A little Cedric Johnson. It's a rookie ticket auto from the Bengals. Steven. Well, Travis Etienne, X's and O's, silver. Jacksonville, Jose. So Keon Milton. It definitely had worse boxes. Is there any? Oh, there is other Sophies. There is indeed. Is that for anything? Jose. Buffalo. Contenders Optic number 1. So jumping in, everybody.